I've had wrinkles and they bother me. In 1 week, I am truly blown away.
Believe it or not, results like this can happen without any cosmetic procedures. With Oya anti-wrinkle patches. 0 injections, 0 needles, 0 chemicals.
One of the reasons why fine lines and wrinkles might look worse is because you need more hydration.
Do not get Botox. I have these patches that have worked absolute wonders on me.
Wrinkles can be caused by sun exposure and lack of hydration in the skin. So how can we prevent wrinkles? Silicone is really nice because it helps hydrate the skin. These patches make a nice barrier to keep moisture in.
These lines have just disappeared overnight.
Okay, so you guys can already see how smooth my skin is, and you can literally see the difference in hydration.
See your skin smoothen out overnight. No need for costly cosmetic procedures. A reusable, cruelty-free, effective solution is here, trusted by many loyal consumers.
That's grandmother of 5. Just saying.
Try out these patches. I promise you, you're absolutely gonna love them.